Hey there! Here we will be discussing 7 steps to creating a winning social media marketing plan for your small business. How do you create a social media marketing plan? Social media marketing is a rapidly growing field. It offers businesses of all sizes a cost-effective and immediate way to market their products, services, and brands online. With social media marketing, as with any other form of marketing, it's crucial to have a plan. But, unfortunately, social media marketing without an overarching social media strategy is likely to yield few results beyond social engagement and traffic that doesn't lead anywhere, i.e., social interaction generating social interactions ad infinitum. The following 7 steps will help you develop your social media platform into a social media sales funnel that will generate revenue for your small business. Step 1. Create your brand's persona on social media platforms. The first step in creating a winning social media marketing plan for your small business is to create a persona or personas for your brand on social media. Your social media persona should accurately reflect your company's values, culture, and target customers. They should also be consistent with your other marketing materials, e.g., website, brochures, etc. Developing personas can help you better target your content and messaging to ensure that it will resonate with your audience. Step 2. Identify your social media goals. The next step is to identify your social media goals. What do you hope to achieve through social media marketing? Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads and sales? Once you've identified your social media goals, you can develop strategies to achieve them. Step 3. Research your competition. Before you put together your social media marketing plan, it's essential to research your competition. What social media platforms are they using? What kind of content are they sharing? What's working for them and what's not? This information can help you determine which social media platforms are most relevant for your business and give you some ideas for content that will resonate with your target audience. Step 4. Create a social media content strategy. Once you know what social media platforms you're going to use in your goals, it's time to create a content strategy. Your social media content strategy should include the social media channels you'll use, a list of social media accounts responsible for distributing the content, and guidelines for social media account managers. According to socialmediaexaminer.com, your social media content strategy should include a social media editorial calendar for all social platforms your small business uses, social media account owner roles and responsibilities so everyone knows who's doing what, a content formality. How formal is your voice on each social network? Is it casual or more serious, formal or informal? Define this in your social editorial template. Regular posting time/schedule for all social networks, yes, even LinkedIn, so content flows naturally on each platform's newsfeed. Types of content to be created, including images, quotes, blog posts, links, etc. Guidelines for social media account managers, tone, voice, type of content. Step 5. Set up social media monitoring and measurement tools. The next step in creating a winning social media marketing plan for your small business is to set up social media monitoring and measurement tools. These tools will help you track how well your social media campaigns perform and determine which strategies work best. Some popular social media monitoring and measurement tools include Google Alerts, Hootsuite Insights, Audience, Sprout Social. Step 6. Create social media policies and procedures. The final step in creating a winning social media marketing plan for your small business is to create social media policies and procedures. These policies and procedures should govern how your company uses social media and should be followed by all employees responsible for creating or sharing content on social media. Some of the more critical social media policies and procedures you may want to consider include the approval process for social media content, guidelines for proper use of social media, e.g., respect copyright laws, don't post offensive content, etc. Social media disclaimers, how to handle social media complaints or negative feedback. Step 7. Implement and track your social media marketing plan. Once your social media marketing plan is in place, it's time to implement and track your social media marketing efforts. Ensure your staff know the social media policies and procedures you've created and encourage them to share social content on their personal social networks. Employee advocacy. Then, make regular check-ins with social media monitoring tools like Sprout Social or Hootsuite Insights to monitor how well your social media campaigns are performing and determine which strategies are working best. If you're looking for more information about creating a social media marketing plan for your small business, get in touch.